And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 107. Let me show you how you can use the color dropper tool outside of the Inkscape window. As I've said in the last video, it doesn't work like, for example, in Photoshop, where you just left click drag and then you can sample colors, for example, on your desktop from a browser. So that's not inbuilt in Inkscape. Therefore, you have to do it a little bit differently. Let me just create 3 quick elements right here. Nothing special. And I actually created a 4th that I don't need. Let me delete that. So we want to recolor them using the eyedropper tool, the color picker tool. And you can, for example, just use your browser and search for color palettes. Let me go for a simple, let's say, summer color palette. Let's, for example, pick this one right here. Once you've got what you want, right click on it and then save image as. It's a PNG. That should be totally fine for Inkscape. I'll rename that. Let me call that Tut Palette. I confirm. Now we go back to Inkscape. We open our Explorer, and all that you have to do is to now import the image that you've saved. You're gonna get this menu right here. Just confirm. You don't have to set anything. Just keep the defaults. And then you've got this image imported. Then you can simply use the color picker on it. In this specific example, I use pick and assign, so both are active. Sometimes it happens that you stumble over a file format that can't be imported that easily. Sometimes you also have the issue that you can't save an image from the web. When that happens, you can simply make a screenshot instead of saving the image. Let me quickly show you how that is done. Let's just say I want to use this one right here and I can't download it. I can't save it for some reason. All that I have to do is to use a snipping tool. That is simply a screenshot tool. I activate it, click on new, left click drag to create a screenshot. Let me call that Tut Palette 2. I go back to Inkscape on my Explorer and now I can import this just like the first color palette. So if you run into problems saving your images on the web, simply use a screenshot tool. The snipping tool is inbuilt in Windows, so you should find that when you use Windows. When you use a Mac, I believe there's also an inbuilt tool, but I don't know what it's called. But in both Mac and Windows, you can simply search for a screenshot tool, a snipping tool. Just use right here the search function and then you will find the app very quickly. And if the snipping tool for some reason isn't inbuilt, it should actually show you this now on the Windows Store so that you can download it. It's free, but there are also other free options. You're just one Google search away from it. It's a screenshot tool, a snipping tool, as I've said. And there you go, for example, light shot. This works on Mac and Windows. Screenshot. Pick one of these. There are lots of free options. And this is how you can sample colors from outside of the Inkscape window. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.